Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be sharing my June favorites, my June makeup and beauty favorites. I'm super excited to share these with you guys. I've been loving these all for the month. I will link everything off down below. But before we get started with that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos. If you don't hit the bell, you're not going to be notified. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so make sure you're checking back at that time. And let's just get started. So I have a basket full of things. It's probably not as many things as I had last month, but it's quite a bit. So I have some skincare and I have some makeup. Let's just start with the skincare stuff. So I did do a full review on the MixEasy brand and kind of that whole situation. But the MixEasy face cream, I have been absolutely loving it. I think it is so amazing and wonderful. And what you do with MixEasy is you formulate your own things and you add things that you want depending on your skin type or your hair type. Yeah, this face cream has been so awesome, and I have been using just this to moisturize in the morning, and it's so amazing. I love it so much. Next is some Derma E skincare, and what's so great about this skincare is that some of their products are vegan. They're all cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, they're recyclable. They say they're wind energy certified, and I have 3 of their products that I have just been loving. They have taken over my skincare routine. I will be doing a full review on these products, and I will be doing a nighttime skincare routine video as well, so you guys can kind of see. But I am loving these Derma E products. I'll just name them off real quick. This is the Essentials Illuminating Rosehip and Cranberry Face Oil. Oh my gosh, I live for this. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. Even if you have oily skin, this is perfect for nighttime. I also have the Derma E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub, activated charcoal, and it is a daily scrub, so you can use these every day to kind of clean out your pores and all that kind of stuff and purify your skin. This one is vegan. And also the Derma E Essentials Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil with argan and jojoba oils. I've never used a cleansing oil before, but man, this is amazing. It says absolutely amazing. So freaking good. I love it so much. So yeah, I've been loving this to cleanse my face, and I never thought I would love oil so much to cleanse my face, but it is so good. Just look out for that review. If I've already done the review, I'll put it in a night card. All right, so let's talk about foundations. So first off, this is my new Holy Grail foundation love of all time. It's the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. This one is so freaking good, and I particularly love this one with the Too Faced Replenish RX, what is it called? The Too Faced Replenishing Primer, the what is it called? The RX one. I don't remember what it's called, but that one is my favorite primer to use with this one. I find that it just lasts all day. It's just really beautiful, and it actually does well with the humidity, with the heat, and they have the best undertones, the best undertones I've seen in any foundation, and the fact that they have an olive and it just fits me perfectly. This is 2WO. It fits me perfectly. Right now I'm a bit tan, but I have the darker one that I'm just gonna mix in because I love this one so much. You can get it at Sephora. I will link it off down below for you guys. You can also get it from the Dior website, but oh, this foundation is so good. It doesn't settle into my fine lines. It doesn't accentuate pores. You can go from light coverage to full coverage. It doesn't transfer. It doesn't give me flashback. It's just the perfect foundation. I love this so much. I can't even stop raving about it. Second foundation to that, the one that I had been using and abusing for months before that one, is the Revolution Pro Foundation Drops. I just posted my first impressions, but I had done that first impressions months ago. Not months ago, like a month ago, when I first colored my hair, and I barely got around to posting it. But I love these foundation drops, and I particularly love these with priming oils. So I really love the City Color priming oil. That one's one of my favorites to use with this, and it's just, even this without priming oil, it looks beautiful on your skin. It's literally the best drop foundation for dry skin. If you haven't tried this, give it a try. I'm in the shade F10. Just such a beautiful foundation. I love this so much. So thought I'd give that little mention. I will be linking all the products I'm talking about down below. Okay, let's talk about these, which I'm surprised I haven't mentioned these in my last favorites because they've been favorites of mine since I first moved into this house. So it's been a couple of months. First, this baby. This is the BH Cosmetic Contour Palette. You need to have this in your life. This has everything you want. Formula is on par with expensive formulas. It's not patchy, they're creamy, they have all types of shades and undertones in this palette. They have some lighter shades so that you can really get a chiseled look if you want. And they have a bronzing shade too. So let me just, first off, my favorite color in this whole palette is this color right here. I wish they would come out with a full size, a huge pan size version of this because it is a beautiful matte bronzy color with some yellow olivey to it. I love this so much. I use this to bronze every single day. Whether I'm wearing makeup or not, I use this to bronze. It is my favorite. And if they came out with this one and a shimmer version of this, I would die right now. I would die right now because it would be so amazing and so good. Anyways, also they have a bunch of contour shades. So we have this darkest one, which is a warm contour. Let me look here. Let me swatch these. Oh, they are so, oh my gosh. The formula is so soft. Yeah, this one's the cool one. Okay. But this one's obviously a really, really warm color. This one's a neutral. This one is more of a neutral, and this one is a cool contour. I love these two and this one. So this one I tend to contour and I might mix this one in, and then this one, and if I really want something dark to give me more dimension, I'll definitely use this one right here. But yeah, oh my gosh, these are just so pigmented and so beautiful. I love this contour palette. I wish BH Cosmetics would please come out with this color. Let me just swatch it. Oh, I'm gonna hit pan in that one already. It's just the perfect bronzy color, like so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys need to try that. It is absolutely wonderful. Okay, this little baby has been my highlight love since I got it, and it is the BH Cosmetics Spotlight 6-color palette. Every time I buy stuff from BH Cosmetics, I'm obsessed with their products for months and months and months, and I have to tell myself to stop talking about it here on YouTube because then it seems like I'm just obsessed with BH, which I am. I've always loved their products. They're so good. So this one actually has a mirror, and there's 6 colors in here, and the pans are humongous. My favorite right now is Dream right here. This is like my perfect highlight. I have this one and a tiny bit of Radiance mixed as my highlight, but they're gorgeous. This is the one that's more like a duochrome. This white has some like duochrome effect to it. Then this is Dream, the one I'm wearing today. I'll swatch Radiance. I'm also wearing a little bit of that one today. I also love Glow. It's that golden, yellow gold, white color. Allure, I've been wearing a lot as well. And then Vivid, which is also a really beautiful color. I don't know. I think that if you go in lightly with this, anyone can rock this, or you can go in darker if you have deeper skin tones, but you can see it's just so beautiful. They're creamy, they're soft, they're pigmented, and they're very, very affordable. So I love this palette. Such a good palette. I love it. Let's talk about some blushes, because these two have been my only blushes that I have used all day long, all month long. I've used the BH Cosmetic the blush powder palette, the nude blush palette. I've used that all month long too, but I talk about that a lot. So these are the other 2 blushes that I have been going to every single day. This is the Bare Peach from Burt's Bees. Just so gorgeous, a very natural blush. If you're into natural blushes, try this one. This one's a really, really good one. You can find this at Walmart. And then also this one is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush. It's one of their new blushes. This one is in the color Just Curious, and this is what I have on my cheeks lightly over the bronzer, is this color right here. Just beautiful peachy color. It does have a scent to it though, so there it is right there. Be aware of that this one is scented. This one is not scented at all. So this one's the Burt's Bee one. It's a lot more natural, peachy, but beautiful. This one has a little more orange to the peach, but still, both of them are really, really beautiful. And they're not like a flat matte. They have like a glow, I would say satin look to the skin, where it's not like a shimmer, but it's a glow. It's not going to be flat. Okay, I gotta talk about this. This is the MAC Fix Plus in Lavender. This does not smell like lavender to me. To me, this smells like men's cologne deliciousness. I'm pretty sure I probably raved about this on my like Insta story, but I love this so much to finish my makeup. So much. It has such a wonderful scent, and it just gives me a fresh looking face. It definitely is a reason why everyone loves MAC Fix Plus. It is different than other setting sprays because it lasts. Like the dewiness and the freshness lasts. Like you feel like you're getting a good quality product. So I really, really do love it. If you haven't tried Fix Plus, give it a try. It's a really good facial spray. You can use it to prep and prime, and you can also use it to finish off your makeup as well. Alright, last are 3 lippies that I'm going to share. 2 of these are from the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigments. The only thing that I don't like about these is that you can't see the color too well in here. I wish that they would put like a swatch at the bottom, because you can kind of see it. Like I can tell this is a cooler one and this is a more pinky color, but you can't really see it. So I have 2 colors here. I have this one's Semblance, which is kind of a taupey, cool purple type of color. And then we have this one, is called Charade, which is like almost like a pink with a little bit of peach, but not that much peach. So these ones are really creamy, really nice. I actually really love these, and I'm going to go back and get some more of these next time I get some stuff from Revolution, because these are really, really good quality. I love them, and I love the packaging and that they're small and you can just like throw them in your purse. And next, I have been loving this, and you guys have been loving this on me too. This is the AOA Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in Doll, and this is the orange, the bright orange that I wear in videos that you guys really love. And this only cost me $1 on the Miss A website. I will link this one off down below. But these AOA Wonder Matte Liquid Lipsticks are so amazing. Once they're there, they stay put. They are just the most amazing liquid lipstick ever. So that's that one. And I just really love this. Doll is such a beautiful, like bright orange color, just so beautiful. I have a couple of these. I have one that's more like a bright peach. I have like a bright red that I've been wearing, you guys have been loving, but I love these so much. Like, it's totally worth the $1. I definitely recommend you guys checking those out. But I feel like this video is so short compared to my usual monthly favorites, because my monthly favorites are always so long, but this month I really slimmed it down. So these are just like things I've been loving for the month, and the last 2 months I feel like that didn't make it in last month's video. Anyways, that's it for my favorites. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you like makeup favorites, and comment down below and tell me what has been your favorite makeup product that you think I should try out, that you think I should know about. Let me know down below in the comment section. I love you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful month, and that you've liked my videos, and that you're going to continue to like my videos. But yeah, I guess I will just see you guys next time. Bye guys.